It's your boy Earl back with another YouTube update. I got both of the 2013s here with me. This was JAMAR's, this was mine. Recently just did throttle body and cold air intake on mine. We haven't done it on his yet, so I'm going to show you before and after. And then I'll show you what it sounds like when you step on the accelerator from the front and the back on both sides of the plane. And then we'll check back in at the end. Back at it. So showed you what it sounds like before and after. We got a couple more updates to go before we send them off for the motor work, but that will be coming real soon, hopefully before the summer even gets here. Hit the subscribe button, it's going to be up top. Like the page, hit the notifications so you can get the new updates on all the videos we're going to drop. Like I said, we're going to try to drop one once a week. I'm not going to designate it to one day right now, but we're going to definitely get you one once a week. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. All of that's going to be at the bottom in the descriptions. Same thing for my man JAMAR. He's out on an accident. He hurt himself. He'll be back soon. Rest up, big fella. But yeah, check back with us.